hope for tomorrow. We will be fine. In the middle of the valley, when you're looking for light, I'm right behind you, I'm with you, time after time. I got you through and through. Cover me, I'll cover you. I'm staying by your side. We are together, together in this. Together is strong. I'm never alone. My brother, my sister, don't give up on hope. It's gonna get better. 'Cause we are together. We are together in this. Only in the darkness can we really see the stars. You know you don't need a rocket. We can travel by heart. If you're ever feeling lonely, just close your eyes, and within a second you'll find me right by your
So
side.
kaya po tayo nandito para magbigay ng awareness, magbigay ng education para sa mga families na baka hindi nila alam neurodivergent pala ang kanilang anak or ang kanilang family member. And I want to remind everyone that there is nothing wrong with that. Okay, if you are a neurodivergent person, it just means that you process information in a different way. Gusto po namin na maging proud po tayo doon, kaya gumawa kami ng platform na ganito. Kids Group was founded in California, USA by me. Ako po pala ang founder ng Kids Group. And Miss June, meron po tayong Kids Group TV. It's an online show para sa ating mga kids and neurodivergent person. Para po magkaroon sila ng platform, para ma-inspire natin ang ibang mga families na pag neurodivergent po yung anak nyo, may autism yung anak nyo, or may Down syndrome or ADHD, marami pa rin po silang ma-share na talent sa mundo. Huwag po natin i-limit ang ating mga kakayahan or kakayahan ng ating mga anak just because na-diagnose sila ng something. So palakpakan naman natin yung mga parents, mga nanay na nandito. Talagang they're very brave na dalhin yung anak nila dito, na proud sila na ipakita sa lahat na neurodivergent ang anak nila, and they are very talented, they are very loved, and they are very much valued. Okay? And marami-rami na po ang mga artista na nagsusupport sa atin. Sa community ko naman po, sa show business, ini-encourage ko sila na pumunta dito at talagang makita nila in person kung gaano ka-loving at gaano ka-talented yung mga Kids Group ambassadors natin. Okay? So, papakilala ko na ang ating special guest. So, she is the winner of Miss Universe Philippines Great Britain and now representing Dumaguete City. Sa mga taga-Dumaguete dyan, Dumaguete City and the Filipino Society of Great Britain in the upcoming Miss Universe Philippines. Please welcome Shamara Patricia Ane Krupa. Shamara! Thank you so much for visiting Kids Group and our neurodivergent community. Ito po pala ang advocacy din ni Shamara, kaya po nag-support po siya sa atin. I think being a neurodivergent child and being in Kids Group is amazing because it helps you express your uniqueness, and I think all of you are amazing in your own way. And amazing dancers, of course, I'll be watching you. Thank you so much, Shamara. So Shamara is going to join us today. Dance with our kids. She's also going to teach the kids a little modeling sa ating fashion show segment, okay? Palakpakan natin ulit si Shamara for her time. And of course, yung team niya na nandito, thank you so much for the support.
Together in this, together is strong. Never alone. My brother, my sister, don't give up on hope. It's gonna get better. 'Cause we are together. We are together. Together in this. Together in this, together we're strong.